Hello, it's decreased crime because it's free. So this is me making recycled furniture from a wooden pallet. I initially used a wooden pallet and made a stool, like a bar stool. It's tall. I like tall furniture because I always wanted to be tall, but I couldn't be tall. I didn't get tall jeans. I got regular size jeans. And so I did the bottom part, which was anchor the seat. That's the anchor for the seat. And that drill is a pretty powerful drill for its voltage. You do need a good drill to do any kind of woodwork. Me growing up, I always wanted to get my Jesus on and learn carpentry. I wanted to take some classes, but I wasn't well received. Like they had some people in the church that were trying to show folks how to do carpentry, like make furniture. So I'm self-taught. I was I'm never taken well whenever I asked about male-dominated sports. I always have to teach, not sports, but male-dominated fields. I always have to teach myself how to do them or find a woman that'll show me. And so I'm self-taught, but it worked for me. But so it pretty much is just a stool that I converted into a chair that has a back in it. I didn't show the back part, and I will eventually paint it white. But I just wanted to show that I like to do, I guess you could say, um, not, I'm not real girly like. I never had the luxury to be like girly. Y'all have to forgive me with the microphone. I'm working on getting a good microphone, so I know there's some echoes, not echoes, but some sound issues. And as you can see here, I cut the top part that I used to sit on as a bench, and I put it on the bottom part right there so I could have a seat with a back. And it was pretty fun to make. I really enjoyed making it. I'm sitting in it right now as I'm making this video, and it's it's nothing like enjoying the fruits of your labor as it pertains to utilizing your skills, not burying your talent, as the word says. So, ladies, let's get something up in hot glue. And I also use a jagged edge, electric jagged edge. And there you have it.